We are here at Big Door, and they have a really nice lineup coming up right now, right over there. Check that out. This is awesome, dude. Peace out, man. I know, right? Well, I'm fashionably late to the show, but we're here. I have this beautiful 3RS from Ryan. I love this thing. And they have this beautiful Conrad Racing team right here. Look at this thing. This thing is nice, dude. Lamborghini ST. In-house. Start it up, baby. We're all waiting for a cold start?
Yeah, right.
Or a hot start, whatever you want to call it. It's pretty cool.
Oh, hey, Sean.
You're good, man.
I got the perfect approach.
Peace out, man. B-Rogue built. And you have this beautiful thing over here. STO. I'm gonna go say hi to this guy right over here. In style, 720S. What's up, Josh? How's it going, man?
Good, how about
You
you?
enjoying life or what?
Yeah.
Cool, man. Where's Larry? He's not here today?
He's out of town.
Of course he is. Yeah, so you were the one driving this today, huh?
Yeah.
All day? Man, sexy dude. He changes it all the time, isn't it?
Yeah, it's crazy. It's
I love it, man.
It's
True definition of inspiration, man. This guy right here, man. Straight up, you know what I mean?
He really said, fuck it.
Of course, dude. That's how you should be, man.
This used to be purple. The whole front saw. It was pretty
So you gotta take the whole thing apart to wrap most of it. Man, this thing is wild, dude. Very impressive. All right, so this is a 720S. The color on this thing is nuts, man. Beautiful car for sure. Very impressive stuff. Let's go run into these other guys. Man, that car is wild. I can't believe that. Look at this thing. What's up, my friend? I'm Lewis. Nice to meet you, man. Cars with Lewis on Instagram. You are pits. You are, man. I know you guys. How's it going?
Good, how are you?
How you enjoying it? Pretty good?
Yeah,
Yeah?
got a bad boost.
Good job, man. I like your work, man. You guys do a good job, man.
Thank you.
Inspiration. You guys are awesome. You know what I mean? That's the whole point of trying to get this advertised, dude.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
So we're trying.
Good. I like it. Where's
Marcel?
this guy? Did he leave?
No, he's over there.
He's chilling. Wow. Yeah, that's a heartbreaker right there. Absolutely, man. Yeah, he's having fun with that one. All right, so the Supra is leaving. Everyone's leaving. That thing is sweet. I like that car. So the Supra. Look at that exhaust. Look at underneath. You get to see that. It's pretty cool. Mr. O's leaving.
Hey, Tim, take it easy.
Take care, man. How are you? See you later, guys. What's up, man? You too. There you go, Mr. O, Tim. I haven't seen you in a while, man. Good, how are you doing, man? Everything's going good? Man, I see you guys at the track all the time with what's his name, with Chuck and Ryan, man. You guys are beasts, man. Okay.
The other one that looks like Ryan.
Yeah. Right. All right, take care. What's up, my friend? How are you? Long time no see, right?
Yeah, how are you?
You know, stay positive. That's all you can do, right? All right, so as the day gets better, you run into this guy, Capture Cars. How are you, my friend? How's it going, brother? Good? Everything's good. That's impressive, man. That's super loud. Look at that. I love it. Hey, what? So the V10 sounds like that. What about the V12 then? So now we gotta do the V12, man. I won't be behind it. I'll be back over here watching it. But I'll be like, now we did the V10. Now we gotta do the V12. Yeah, this will leave you that for sure, man. This thing is. He's serious about it.
Yeah.
I like it.
Yes, so.
Right? It felt
Something's
right.
gonna go off right now.
Just felt right.
All right. Yeah, we're gonna have fun with this one right here. I don't know. I'm gonna take one for you. Right over here. No, I've seen you in action with this car before. Yeah. Well. You gotta let it warm up a little bit, right? This thing is nice. Really, really, really nice car, man. One of my favorite cars for sure. Lamborghini Aventador. Yeah, let's do what this guy does. Let's get the fumes in our mouth so we can get more happier. Hey man, it's a pleasure, man. Thank you so much for bringing this beautiful thing out. Gorgeous. I love you, man. Thank you. This thing is beautiful, beautiful, beautiful car. So he said, Gemini's gonna rev it as he leaves. He's gonna rev this thing, which is gonna be super loud. But yeah, this thing is wild, man. I love the green calipers. It is a tight car, man. You even got the racing gloves on, man. Look at that.
My last Gallardo had custom interior.
Okay.
And a white steering wheel, white leather steering.
Yeah.
And I kind of left over from that. Those days to ride motorcycles, touring. And I like the idea
Of course, the grip of it.
grip.
Of course.
It makes it feel a little larger.
Nice. I love that, man.
That's the only reason I like it.
Of course. Hey, man. Thanks so much. Stay positive, all right? See you later. All right, let's check this baby out. Yeah, that's too loud, man. Wow. That is nuts. Wow, dude. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Well, Josh over here trying to have fun with the 720S, and then we have this gentleman in the Aventador. Hey, Josh, that was a little bit. You got to go louder than that, man. You got to go louder than that, man. Beautiful set of cars right here, man. The 720S and the Aventador. Honestly, I don't know which one I would choose. Actually, I do know. The Lamborghini for sure. But that is a sexy car, hands down. The gate opens up, gentleman leaves. I'm gonna block you guys for a minute, okay? You guys already got a lot of film already all day. No, yeah, exactly. You guys been to 7 shows already. This is my half of one. Look how beautiful that color is. God, that's gorgeous, man. Nice spec for sure. So, what do you guys think about the beautiful Lamborghini Aventador? Beautiful. So it makes everyone happy, man. You know that. You know what I mean?
The neighbors.
Who cares about them? They can last for a couple hours. You know what I mean? All right. Stay positive, man. See, Josh is cool, man. He's other than Larry at Blackstar, he's my favorite employee there. This guy's good. Look at that.
What? Thank you, sir. I appreciate it.
Are you going that way or this way?
Left, right.
I think I'm gonna go that.
All the way to the end?
Yeah.
And then
Thank you, Joe.
which way on the road?
Right.
All right. We'll see you over there.
See you guys.
Yep. Thank you, man. Take care. That's no given right there. Right? Right or wrong? That's gorgeous, man. And then Josh has a good time. The guy who's driving the car, he's got a great time.
He's not like Manny Koshman's person.
Exactly.
He drives his cars.
I love it. All right, guys, we are at Starbucks. We got a nice coffee to go. One for me, one for my wife. But I want you guys to comment below and let me know what you guys think about the cars we just saw at Big Door. The Lamborghini Aventador. God, that thing is a beauty, man. Lamborghini. The McLaren 720S, Blackstar did a really good job with that wrap. That's really, really nice. So good job to the team out there. The STO was a nice car. The R8, everything was really beautiful. I got there late, had a grind today, had to work, man. That's how it is. I can't make it to all the events, but the ones I can, I'm gonna try my best to film and show you guys what's out here in Chicago. But for meanwhile, hit that subscribe button, right? Like my vlog, and comment below. Let me know your thoughts, all right? I'll see you guys in the next time. Take care. And me get my drinks.